autumn, Galician festivals typical of the autumn time.
It's autumn. But what is typical in autumn? The leaves in the trees start to fall.
In the USA, the autumn is called the fall. The weather is colder. People usually wear warm clothes. It's also harvest time. We recollect fruits and vegetables. For example, delicious apples, juice, grapes, and corn. And of course, the most typical vegetable are pumpkins. In the forest, the animals collect food for the winter.
Ooh, Halloween is in autumn.
The school starts in this time.
In the USA, they celebrate Thanksgiving Day.
All this happens around the world.
But in Galicia, we have special celebrations. For example, the Magosto, pig killing, Samaín, and harvest.